Mina ataramu wa urimi magomanite mwena wa Murungaru Kinangofu kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua na muoroto wa kwaririria ciegie njira njega cia urimi wa waru. Mathomo mau makirugamirirwo ni anyiti itemi matiganite ari ni hamwe na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua na ciama citari cia githirikari.
Apical cuttings, hii ni njia ya kutumia mmea ambao hauna magonjwa na ambao umedhibitishwa kuwa hauna magonjwa na unaweza kustahimili hali ya hewa ambayo sio mzuri.
Aria makoretwo magithomithia arimi ni mamatarite metheme kuhuthira dawa nyingi cia mimera niguo magetha mao matikage thoko.
What we advise our farmers is to ensure that when they are producing their potatoes, they don't, overuse chemicals, but they use according to the recommendations of the extension officers, so that we don't have misuse or abuse of chemicals.
Magwetete kwaga umenyo wa kuigana ta kiremithia kinene kia arimi kuona umithio wa urimi wao na uguo makamoria kuhuthagira ataramu wa urimi aria mari matura-ini riria mabatara motaro.
We have engaged with farmers, and one of the main challenges that they face is the access to quality seeds. You find that the seed is very expensive to farmers, and also they are not available. This makes farmers to use poor quality seeds which they get from their recycled seeds, translating to low yields, which also cannot guarantee good markets for their produce.
Arimi ne makenereire mathomo mau makiuga ne makumateithia kugacirithia urimi wao na njira nene.
Ugo tene hindira twarimaga okurima nitwarimaga na nitwari na challenge imwe ni tondu cangi iria turakuragia twari na variety o imwe ya cangi na cangi yo nitwamirimire nginya igikira ihinda after gutrainwo niguo tuonire ni ithuĩ tutumite ikorwo njuru ni tondu nikiriti ihinda riria yabati gukorwo ikirimo.
Thutha wa mathomo ma ihinda inini megie urimi mwega wa waru riu gikundi kia Blessed kuma guku Murungaru kaunti ya Nyandarua kirerahira maumirira mega maumanite na thithino yao na riu ni mathingatite arimi aria angi kuhimbiria urimi uyu nigetha mone umithio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua, ritwa riakwa ni Simon Ngure.